In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to report fraud on Wells Fargo credit card. Let's get started. First, log into your Wells Fargo app or navigate to the official website of Wells Fargo, provide your credentials and log into your account. Now select your credit card account and review your recent transactions. If you find a choice that you believe is fraudulent, click on the transaction to view more details. Look for an option such as report fraud, dispute transaction, or report unauthorized charges. Follow the on-screen instructions to submit your report. Wells Fargo may ask you to verify your identity and provide additional information about the transaction, such as whether you recognize the merchant or if your card has been stolen or lost. Answer the questions accurately and submit your fraud claim. If your credit card has been lost or stolen, report it immediately to the Report Lost or Stolen Card option in the app or online banking. Wells Fargo will block your current card to help prevent additional unauthorized purchases and can issue a replacement card. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.